Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability. The lessons we're going to cover today are permutations, permutations and combination notation, geometric probability. Here I'm on grade 10 math. Let's just start with the lesson that is permutations. An amusement park is unveiling five brands new rides. How many in how many different orders can the new rides be unveiled? So you have to do 5 factorial, that is 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. That is 120. Right, let's just start with the test questions. May Spencer, Sharon, Patrick, Mark, and Rachel found seats in a row at the movie theater. In how many different orders can they sit? So they are one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means they can sit in 6 factorial, right? So 6 factorial means you have to start with 6 and multiply all the numbers between 6 and 1. So you have to do 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. That is 2 times 6, 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, 30 times 4 is 120, and 120 times 6 is 720. The correct option is option number 2, that is 720. An amusement park is unveiling 5 brand new rides. In how many different orders can the new rides be unveiled? So which is the correct option? That is five new brands. So you have to evaluate 5 factorial, right? So 5 factorial means you have to multiply all the numbers between 5 and 1. So you have to do 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. So which is the correct option? That is 120. Option number 2 is the correct option. Lisa has only 3 pieces of Halloween candy left. And how many different orders can she eat the remaining candy? So which is the correct option? That is, you have to evaluate 3 factorial. So the correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 factorial is 6. During a workout, the swim team at Greenpoint High School will be practicing swim strokes one after another. According to the coach instruction, the team will complete a set numbers of laps using combination of butterfly, the breaststroke, freestyle, and backstroke. In how many different orders could they practice the different strokes? So, which is the correct option? That is four options: butterfly, the breaststroke, freestyle, and backstroke. So, you have to do 4 factorial, that is 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is Khalid is excited about the school picnic. He wants to sign up for the three-legged race, the splash tag game, the sack rake race, the Heaven Knot challenge, the egg and spoon race, and the wheelbarrow race. If he has to rank these activities in order of preferences, and how many different orders could he rank them? So, which is the correct option? The total activities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 or 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to do evaluate 6 factorials, right? That is 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. So which is the correct option? That is 720. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 720. Option number 1 is the correct option. Vicky makes a smoothie for breakfast every morning. Today she wants to use 5 different fruits, and how many different orders can she add these fruits to her blender? So which is the correct option? You have to do 5 factorial, so that is 120. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is permutations and combination notation. That is 5C2. You have to evaluate the combinations. So here is the formula to evaluate the combinations. 5 NCR, right? That is n factorial divided by r factorial and minus r factorial. Let's just start with the test questions. For C2. So let's just evaluate. That is the formula, that is NCR is n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial, right? So n is 4, that is 4 factorial, r is 2, that is 2 factorial, and 4 minus 2 factorial, right? 2 factorial is 2 again, 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2 or 2 cancel out, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 6. 3p2, that is the permutations, right? So how do we evaluate the permutations? We have a formula, that is npr, that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That's how we evaluate the permutations. So you have to do 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. So the correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Seven P2, that is NPR equals n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So that is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial. So that is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 5 factorial, 5 factorial cancel out. 7 times 6 is 42. So the correct option is 42. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 42. 5C2, which is the correct option? C is for combinations and P is for permutations, right? So you have to evaluate combinations. So that is that is hold on, Y10. Oh, that is 10, yes. The correct option is option number 1, that is 10. 6p2, that is 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial, that is 6 times 5 times 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So they can cancel out and you are left with 30. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. 4p2, which is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 12. 5c2, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. And okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is geometric probability. Let's just start with the lesson. Point on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is between 74 and 77? The segment between 74 and 77 is completely contained in total segment. The length of the shorter segment is the absolute value of the total length of the segment is 4, so the probability is 3 out of 4. Let's just start with the test questions. A point FM is chosen at random. What is the probability? It, it is also, what is the probability is it is also on HI. That is 1 over 7. HI has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 by 8, right? The difference between H and I 6 minus 4 is 2, and that is 2 over 8. 1 over 17. 7 it is because that is 2 over 14. Yes, that length of FM is 14, right? And the length of HI is 2, that is 2 over 14. So that is 1 over 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. At point, a point on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is between 79 and 83, which is the correct option? That is 2 out of 3, right? Because from 79 to 83, that is 4. 4 out of 6, and when you convert into smaller form, that is lowest form, that is 2 out of 3. A point on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability that is between 14 and 15? So, which is the correct option? That is 14 and 15 is that is one out of two. Option number two is the correct option. A point on JM IM is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is also on JM? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 out of 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 10 math. Chapter we're working on is probability. The lessons we have covered today are permutations, permutation and combination notation, geometric probability. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.